Welcome to the Work Less, Better Pay YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic. What are the common pitfalls to avoid when starting an online business? And how can you overcome them? Whether you're just starting or looking to improve, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Laura, and I've been through the ups and downs of starting an online business. In this video, I'm going to share common pitfalls I encounter, the benefits of starting an online business, and how the Legacy Builders program can help you achieve success without any monthly expenses. So let's start with the benefits of starting an online business. There are so many advantages. Let's talk about 5 of them. 1. The flexibility. Work from anywhere, anytime, whether you're at home, at a coffee shop, on vacation, traveling, or just around your family. Number 2. Low overhead costs. Unlike brick and mortar stores, online business have minimal startup costs and there's no rent to pay. Number 3, scalability. With the right strategies, you can scale your business to reach the global audience. Number 4, passive income. Once set up, your business can generate income while you sleep. And number 5, the most important one, life work balance. Spend more time with your family and pursue your passions, your dreams, all by running a successful business. Now let's dive into the pitfalls and how we can overcome them. Number 1, overcomplicating things. It's easy to get overwhelmed by trying to do too much at once. Stick to the basics and keep things simple. Focus on one thing at a time and you will see the progress. Number 2, neglecting marketing. Without effective marketing, your business won't grow. If you invest the time in learning about the digital marketing strategies, the Legacy Builder program teaches you how to use social media platforms to attract for attraction marketing, even if you start without a following. Number 3, the lack of consistency. Success doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is the key. Set a schedule and stick to it, even if it's a couple hours a day. Remember, the Legacy Builders program is designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Number 4, ignoring feedback. Listen to your customers when they email you and adapt. Their feedback is invaluable for improving your products and services. The Legacy Builders program includes a supportive community where you can get advice and share testimonials and experiences. Number 5, poor financial management. Keep track of your finances. Use the tools to manage your income and expenses. The Legacy Builder program provides guidance on financial management to ensure that your business stays profitable. The Legacy Builders program offers a comprehensive blueprint for success. Here is what you will learn. Number 1, high income skills. How to master the skills to run a successful business online, from marketing to sales strategy. Number 2, attraction marketing. You will learn how to use social media platforms effectively to attract customers organically. Number 3, automations. You will discover how to automate your business processes, which is freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on growth and be around your family. Number 4, community support. Join the community of like minded individuals who will shape your journey. Share, share trips, ask questions, and find support. And number 5, no monthly expenses. The program provides all the tools you need without any reoccurring costs, allowing you to keep 100% profit. By following the Legacy Builders program, you can transform your business into a successful venture. And here's how. You can streamline the process. The program provides step-by-step guidance or videos to ensure you have followed the proven methods that work. Effective marketing. With attraction marketing, you will grow your customer base organically without spending a fortune on ads. Time management. You'll work 2 to 3 hours a day and achieve more. The automation tools provide you the help you manage with your time more efficiently. And number 4, financial freedom. Achieving financial stability and security without the burden of monthly expenses. Imagine working 2 to 3 hours a day and having freedom to spend with your family or with your loved ones, pursuing hobbies, accomplishing your dreams, or even travel. Picture yourself financially secure, confident in your skills, and free from the stress of job hunting. This blueprint can make your dreams and reality come true. So if you're ready to transform your life and achieve financial freedom, check out the link in the description for more information about the Legacy Builders program. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the tools and the blueprint that can change your life. I thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content, and leave a comment below with any questions or experiences you would like to share. Let's build this legacy together. Thank you for joining.